Hey everybody, I'm trying to get you in focus here. These long canvases, it's harder. It'd be probably better for you if I did it the other way, but it's harder for me. So, I hope you all are having a good day. The pour I'm going to do today is inspired by this pour that I did the other day. I just realized I had paint on my fingers. I should not go touching white paintings. But I'm going to do blues, and it's going to be, I was just mixing this one and it's starting to separate. And it's going to be a little bit different. It's not going to be half and half. Yeah, not at all. I'm gonna start with it solid though, with a solid ribbon. And then I'm gonna pour a little bit white into the cup when it's not quite empty and pour. And then fill it up with more white and keep going. So it should just slowly get less and less color. I mean, that's the goal anyhow. So I've got Artist Loft Metallic Blue, Artist Loft Phthalo Green. These two are metallic. This is how the color started. It's really dark. Metallic Midnight Blue, Midnight Navy, and I mixed it with my white. So you can tell this one's a little bit darker, and this one has silicone in it. And I believe this, yep, I have an S. So this has silicone. So these three do not. And they're all mixed with Floetrol and water. I have paint mixing videos. And the white is, of course, my favorite, the Dutch Boy. Okay. So it's later in the evening. It's later than I normally would paint. Hang on, I gotta get a drink of water. And I'm about to go complain on you for a little bit. I know you watch YouTube videos to like get away from it and relax, but that's why I filmed them. So, and my husband, he doesn't want to listen anymore. And he just got home from work, but I've spent the last 3 hours, and I got it to work on when I did the Pearl X resin video. I did my video, and then I edited it, and I was able to get stills, the photos at the end to go on, no issues. So I was trying to do that with some others today, where I took a photo of the ingredients and then the final, and my editing software keeps denying those pictures. They're JPEG, they're the right formula. It won't let me. So I spent like 2 hours, all of this like on a 20-minute video. And so then I downloaded a different editing software, trying to think which colors I want first. This, and that did not seem to be any better. So I'm not sure where I'm at now, but I'm at, oh look, that was not mixed all the way, but it will still be fine. So I spent 3 hours after school. I had planned on like working out, even though it was cold, taking the dog for a walk. None of that happened. I spent the whole time just so frustrated. So then I said, screw it, come down here, I'm gonna paint. Painting I understand. So I am here. Oh, I'm so, I don't know why it worked the other day, and now it won't. Alrighty, so we're just gonna start, let me move this paper up. Gosh, do I want more color in here? Probably do. And this is a thin canvas. This is a level 1 canvas from Michaels. I don't usually work on them, but for some reason I still had a bunch. So I don't want them to just sit there. Ooh, look how pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to pour some white into this. Oh, that's my leg making that noise. Like, what on earth? So hopefully, all right, that is annoying. Ooh, that's neat. Let's see where we're at. Like tilting wise. Really didn't. This part I hadn't thought out as much as all the rest of it. Boy, that blue kind of ended up looking really gray. Not so sure about that one. It's really gray. Tilt a bunch of it off right here. So far, this is totally not what I envisioned. But looks pretty sweet. Feels weird to be working on this canvas. It's so light. You know, that gray is, or blue is really iffy. It sure doesn't look like that. One of these paints must be really thin. You can see it's just like, I don't know which one it is, but one of them is quite thin. If I stop right there, I have a big nose in the middle of my painting. That really creeps me out. Don't like that. Quite bizarre. Quite bizarre. I love that area. Not like that. So, when I don't like, I swipe. Let's see. It's be a lot faster if I swipe these ones. That was a mistake, but oh no. That did not go well. That went much better. As did that. Now I just have this little area. There. Okay. You know, as I said, not at all what I was going for. I don't know what that is. It's a little piece of something. But I love this side so much. That I didn't want to scrap the whole painting, you know, which is, I usually do that. Just filling in edges. This doesn't look right here. Interesting. Let's torch and see. Look at all this cool stuff happening down here. That's like that look. I tried to do a video where I did the whole thing like that. I love the look of pouring white into the remains of a flip cup. Because it's just the coolest. Let's see what happens. A bit loud. Well, You can see that light green's coming up and the dark blue. All of a sudden you can see much richer colors happening. I think cells up here will continue to evolve. I have no idea how thick this is though. Yeah, not too bad. Should be all right. I'm actually pretty happy with this. Yeah, I like it. I just love this. I should just do a whole, try again. I guess I mean, I still have paint in here. Excuse me. All right, enough staring at it. I'll get up and zoom in so you can stare at it too. Get myself over here. Right here's my favorite part. Super cool. I love that. Just look at those lines. They're so neat, like rock formations. So thanks for hanging out with me. Sorry I complained about my technical issues. This is why I paint and try to stay away from computers, but life can't always be like that. So thank you so much, and please subscribe, keep watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.